The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving with new players emerging all the time. One such contender making waves is ALGORAND, a blockchain platform developed with a focus on speed, security, and scalability. Silvio Micali, a renowned computer scientist and Turing Award winner, founded ALGORAND. At the heart of ALGORAND's appeal lies its unique pure proof-of-stake (PPOS) consensus mechanism. This system allows for fast transaction speeds and low fees while maintaining a high level of security. Unlike energy-intensive proof-of-work blockchains like Bitcoin, ALGORAND boasts an environmentally friendly approach. ALGORAND's commitment to inclusivity is evident in its focus on interoperability, seamlessly connecting with other blockchain networks. As the crypto landscape matures, ALGORAND's focus on speed, security, and sustainability positions it as a strong contender. Predicting the future price of any cryptocurrency is a complex task, subject to a multitude of factors. However, examining expert opinions can provide a glimpse into the potential trajectory of ALGO, ALGORAND's native token. Let's delve into 3 scenarios for ALGO's price in 2025: conservative, realistic, and bullish. Conservative predictions place ALGO's 2025 price at around $2.50, assuming steady growth. Realistic predictions suggest ALGO could reach $5 by 2025, factoring in sustainable blockchain demand and institutional adoption. Bullish predictions envision ALGO soaring to $10 or more by 2025, banking on widespread adoption and favorable regulations. While ambitious, this price point is not entirely out of reach given ALGORAND's strong fundamentals. It is crucial to remember that these are just predictions, and the actual price of ALGO in 2025 could differ significantly. Numerous unforeseen events could impact its value, highlighting the volatile nature of the crypto market. The price of ALGO, like any cryptocurrency, is influenced by a complex interplay of technological advancements, market sentiment, and real-world adoption. One significant catalyst is the growing interest in central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. As governments explore digital currencies, ALGORAND's secure and scalable platform has emerged as an attractive option. Another potential catalyst is the increasing institutional adoption of DeFi, decentralized finance. ALGORAND's fast transaction speeds and low fees make it ideal for DeFi applications, attracting institutional investors. The growing trend of sustainable investing could also benefit ALGO, aligning with environmentally conscious investors. Major sponsorships and partnerships could boost ALGO's visibility and adoption. While these catalysts paint a positive picture for ALGO's future, it's essential to recognize the inherent risks and challenges in the ever-evolving crypto market. Section 4. Navigating the risks and competition. While ALGORAND possesses numerous strengths, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential risks and competition it faces. The cryptocurrency market is inherently volatile, and external factors like regulatory changes or global economic downturns can significantly impact ALGO's price. Competition from other blockchain platforms is another key consideration. Ethereum, despite its scalability issues, remains the dominant player in the smart contract platform space. Solana, with its high transaction speeds and low fees, is another formidable competitor vying for market share. ALGORAND must continuously innovate and differentiate itself to maintain its competitive edge. Security risks, while mitigated by ALGORAND's robust architecture, are always a concern in the world of cryptocurrency. Regulatory uncertainty poses another challenge, creating a climate of uncertainty for investors and developers alike. Despite these challenges, ALGORAND's strong fundamentals, experienced team, and growing ecosystem provide a solid foundation for future success. Section 5. ALGO's future, a collective prediction. As we've explored, the future of ALGORAND and its native token, ALGO, is brimming with possibilities. From its potential role in CBDCs and DeFi, to its appeal to environmentally conscious investors, ALGORAND is well positioned to capitalize on the evolving landscape of the cryptocurrency market. However, navigating the inherent volatility, competition, and regulatory uncertainties will be paramount to its success. What's your prediction for ALGO's price in 2025? Share your thoughts, insights, and predictions in the comments below. Let's engage in a collective exploration of ALGORAND's future and the potential it holds for the world of finance and beyond.